Hi everybody, in this video I will share with you how do we convert a number in base 10 to other bases and vice versa. Okay, let me give you a number in base 10 first. 3129. For a number in base 10, there are 10 digits we can use. I think this one you should be no problem, right? We learned this since we were a kid. You have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There are 10 digits that we can use in number base 10. Okay, so for base 10, you don't have to write a small 10 here. If you don't see any small number written here, then this number will be in base 10. Okay, this is actually 3129, right? Because it is actually equal to 3 times 1000 plus 1 times 100 plus 2 times 10 plus 9 times 1. Okay, try to think why this is 1110 and 1. Because this is base 10. This is 10 power 0. 10 power 0 is equal to 1. This is 10 power 1, which is equal to 10. This is 10 power 2, which is equal to 100. And this is 10 power 3, which is equal to 1000. So if you understand this concept, then it will be very easy for you to convert the number in other bases to number in base 10. Okay, let me give you a number in base 2. So this base 2 we also can call it binary number. So there are only 2 digits you can use for number in base 2, which are 0 and 1. Okay, let's look at this number. 10111 in base 2. 10111. So since this is in base 2, I need to write a small 2 over here to let people know that this is in base 2, not in base 10. Okay, so if I ask you to convert this number in base 2 to number in base 10, can you do that? If you understand this concept, I think it should be no problem, right? Since this is base 2, so the place value will be 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, and 2 power 4. Okay, before converting to decimal to number in base 10, I'm going to write this in expanded notation first, which is equal to 1 times its place value, which is 2 power 4. You can put a parenthesis here if you want, plus 0 times 2 power 3 plus 1 times 2 power 2 plus 1 times 2 power 1, and the last one will be 1 times 2 power 0. So you need to be more careful for the last one. 2 power 0 is 1, not equal to 0. Okay, be careful of this. So this one you can just press your calculator. 2 power 4 is equal to 16. So 1 times 16 is equal to 16. 0 times 2 power 3 is equal to 0. So 2 power 2 is equal to 4. 1 times 4 will give you 4. And 2 power 1 is equal to 2. 1 times 2 you get 2. And the last one, be careful, 2 power 0 is equal to 1. 1 times 1 will give you 1. So the answer will be 23 in base 10. So for base 10, if you do not write anything here, then people know that this is base 10. So since I want to emphasize this is base 10, so I will write a small 10 here. If you don't want to write 10, it's okay. So our calculator actually can help us to do the job. You will see decimal, this is base 10. Hexadecimal, this is base 16. Binary number, this is base 2, what we did just now. And octal number, this is base 8. So let's say if you want to use your calculator to check, you just need to press menu and search for base, number base. You can use your arrow key this. Under here, press enter, press equal. So if you don't want to do this way, you can do it another way. You see a 3 here, right? You can just press 3. Okay, now this is base 2. I need to let my calculator know that now I'm going to key in a number in base 2. Therefore, I need to change it to binary number first, which is printed in blue color, BIN, binary number. So I need to press this one first. Now your calculator know that the number that you key in is a binary number. So just now I told you there are only 2 digits that we can use, right? 0, 1. Let's say I key in a other digit, for example, like 1, 0. Okay, this one no problem. 1, 1. Okay, I try to key in 2. So you press equal, you get problem. Syntax error. Why? Because it cannot be 2. The digit that we can use for binary number, there are only 2 digits, which are 0 and 1. Let me change this one. 10111 10111. Press equal. Now your calculator know that this is binary number. So if you want to convert it to base 10, which is decimal, very easy. You just need to press this one. 23. Our answer correct. Okay, let me show you some other bases. Now let's try base 8. For base 8, there are only 8 digits we can use, which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, no 8. Okay, there are 8 digits that we can use. Let me give you a number and then we try to convert it to a number in base 10. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. Since this is in base 8, I'm going to write a small 8 over here to let people know that this is a octal number. So how do we convert it to decimal? It should be no problem. Since this is base 8, the place value will be 8 power 0. Always remember start with power 0. And 8 power 1, 8 power 2. Okay, so this is actually equal to 3 times 8 power 2, which is equal to 3 times 64, plus 5 times 8 power 1, plus 6 times 8 power 0. Oh, as I told just now, you need to be more careful for the last one. 8 power 0 is equal to 1, not equal to 0. Okay? So this one you can just press your calculator. 3 times 64. 3 times 64, you will get 192. And 5 times 8 power 1, which is equal to 5 times 8, 40. And this is 6. Okay, 192 plus 40 plus 6, which is equal to 238 base 10. Okay, if you don't see any small number written here, then means that this is base 10. So can we use our calculator to help us in this situation? Yes. Press OCT first. Let our calculator know that we are going to key in a octal number. 356. 356. Press equal. Now I want to change this to base 10, right? Decimal. Press this one. 238. Our answer correct. Okay, now let's try base 5. So base 5, there are 5 digits we can use, which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. No 5 and above. Okay, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me give you this number. 1, 3, 4, 2. Base 5. Since this is base 5, so the place value will be 5 power 0. Always start with power 0. 5 power 1, 5 power 2, and 5 power 3. Okay, this is equal to 1 times 5 power 3. 3 times 5 power 2. 4 times 5 power 1. And the last one, you need to be more careful. 2 times 5 power 0. 5 power 0 is equal to 1, not 0. Okay? Okay, so 5 power 3 is 125. 1 multiplied by 125, you will get 125. And this is 25. 3 times 25, 75. and this is 5 power 1, which is equal to 5. 4 times 5 you get 20, and 2 times 1, be careful, 5 power 0 is equal to 1, so this will be 2. Okay, 125 plus 75 plus 20 plus 2, which is equal to 222. So this is in base 10. Now you will notice that your calculator cannot help me to do the job now. This time cannot help me to do the job for the base 5, because we only have base 10, base 16, base 2, and base 8. But let's say when you want to practice yourself, you can try on other bases, but your calculator cannot help you to do the job. You can just go to Google and just type base calculator. Okay, and there are actually many websites that you can use, so maybe you can just try this one. So I will show this one. Click on this. Okay, so now we are doing base conversion, right? So you need to click on this one first. Okay, just now we convert 1342 in base 5 to base 10, right? And we got the answer 222. Let's try 1342 222. Okay, 1342. This number in base is in base 5. Therefore, I need to key in this, change to from base 5 to base 10. Okay, if this gives us 222, means that our answer are correct. Yes, our answer are correct. So you can try other bases. For example, you can try other bases, maybe base 7, base 6, base 9, and so on. Because for those bases, our calculator cannot help us to do the conversions. Okay, let's go back. Let's try one more, base 4. The same thing for base 4, our calculator cannot help us to do the job, but the website can help us to do the conversions. Base 4. How many digits that we can use? 4 digits, which are 0, 1, 2, 3. No 4 and above. Okay. Now let me give you a number 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. Base 4. Okay. I think this time you should be able to convert yourself, right? You can try to pause this video, try to do the conversion yourself, and then compare your answer with mine. So this is base 4, therefore the place value will be 4 power 0. Always start with 0, remember. 4 power 1, 4 power 2, and 4 power 3. Okay, so 1 times 4 power 3 and plus 2 times 4 power 2 plus 3 times 4 power 1 plus 2 times 4 power 0. Okay, now, so 4 power 3 is equal to 64. 1 times 64, you get 64. 4 power 2 is equal to 16. 2 times 16, you will get 32. Okay, 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 2 times 1, be careful, 4 power 0 is equal to 1, not equal to 0. So 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Okay, just press our calculator. 64 plus 32 plus 12 plus 2. The answer is 110, 110. Okay, you can write a small 10 here. If you don't want to write, it's okay. If you don't see any small number written here, it means it is in base 10. Now, our calculator cannot help us to do this conversions, but the website can help us to do this. So remember 1, 2, 3, 2, and we get 110. 1, 2, 3, 2. Let me key in this answer, this number first. 1, 2, 3, 2. This is base 4. I'm going to change this to base 4, and I want to convert it to base 10. Just press convert 110. Okay, our answer correct. So this is the way how do we use our calculator to help us do the conversions for base 10, base 16. Okay, base 16, I will not discuss here because this is not within your syllabus, but actually your calculator can help you to do the conversions base 16. Okay, So this is base 2 and this is base 8. So maybe at home you want to try yourself other bases, you can use Google to help you to do the job. Okay, but definitely you need to understand the basic, right? You cannot fully depend on your calculator or the website because in the exam you need to do it manually. But in the exam you still can use calculator to help you to do the conversions for base 10, base 2 and base 8. Okay, now you know how do we convert a number in base 10. Let me write over here. Now you already learned this. Base 10 to other bases, right? Okay, now we are going to learn backward. Other bases to base 10. Okay, let me just use back just now example. So the first example, let me check back. Okay, still remember just now I gave you 1 0 1 1 1 base 2. I asked you to convert to base 10. We got 23. This is base 10. For base 10 you don't have to write a small 10 here, it's okay. And we also convert 3 5 6 base 8 to base 10, which is equal to 238 base 10. And then we also did the base 5 one, right? 1 3 4 2 1 3 4 2 base 5, and it's equal to 2 2 2 2 2 2 base 10. And the last one will be base 4, which is equal to 1 2 3 2 1 2 3 2 base 4 is equal to 1 1 0 base 10. Okay, just now from here to here, now we are going to learn backward from base 10 to base 2. It's actually very easy. Now let's try the first one. 2 3, oh sorry, yes, correct. 23. Okay, this is 23 base 10. If you want to convert it to base 2, right, you can actually use your calculator, but I'm going to show you without using our calculator first. So you can do it this way. 23 put inside and we do the repeated division. Keep on repeating. Divide this number by 2. Why 2? Because this is base 2. And the remainder we are going to write here. So maybe sometimes the number is quite big, you are not able to calculate mentally. You can do it this way. 23 divided by 2. Okay, you learned this in primary school. I think it should be no problem, right? Okay, 1 2 you will get 2. 1 2, 1 times 2 you get 2. The remainder is equal to 1. So what we are going to write here, we write 11 and the remainder is 1. And then do the same thing for the rest until you see 0. Let me show here. So if you can do it mentally, you don't have to write that like this. 5 2 you get 10, remainder again 1, 5 remainder 1, 5 remainder 1. Okay, so 5 divided by 2. 2 2 you get 4, remainder 1, 2 remainder 1, 2. Okay, 2 divided by 2. This will be easier. 1 2 2, no remainder, which is equal to 0, right? So you just write 1 equal to 0. Cannot stop yet. You need to proceed until you see 0. So 1 divided by 2. Here we need to put a 0. Right? So the remainder is 1. 0, 1. 0, 1. Okay, now you see 0, you can stop. So our answer, you have to read it from the bottom to the top. Okay, let me use other color. From the bottom to the top. 1 0 1 1 1, correct? 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, so how about if I want to use our calculator? I want to key in the number base 10, right? So decimal, this is base 10, 23 equal. Okay, I want to convert it to a binary number. Just press BIN. 10111 10111. Okay, this is the way how do we convert a number in other bases. Go back to base 10. Let me show you the rest. Let's try 238 base 10. I'm going to convert it to base 8. 238 divided by 8. Why? Because I'm going to convert it to base 8. Therefore, I divide this number, keep on dividing this number by 8. Remainder, I'm going to write over here. So if the number is very big, you can do it this way, as I told you just now. Remainder is 6. So 29, remainder 6. 29, remainder 6. Okay, do the same thing for the rest. So once the number becomes smaller, you can actually do it mentally, right? 3, 8, you will get 24. 29 minus 24 is equal to 5. So if you feel hard, you can do it this way. It's okay. 3, remainder 5, right? Okay. So this is 0. 3 divided by 8, you get 0. Remainder 3. Now, once you see 0 here, you can stop. Remember, the answer you have to read from the bottom. 356. 356 base 8. Okay. This is the way how do we convert the number in other bases. Oh, sorry. The number is base 10 to other bases. 356. How do we use our calculator? Now, press DEC first. Then key in 238, press equal. I'm going to convert it to base 8, which is octal number. Press this OCT. 356. Okay. So for base 10 to base 5 or base 10 to base 4, our calculator cannot help us to do the job. But you can just use Google to help you. Let's try the next two, which is 222 base 10. 2 base 5. 2 base 10. 2 base 5. So try to think, what number should I use here? Since I'm going to convert it to base 5, right? So I am going to use 5. Remainder, I'm going to write over here. Okay, as I told just now, if you feel that it's a little bit hard for you to do the division like this mentally, you can just write down. Okay, write like this. 2 divided by 5. Okay, 4, 5, you get 20. And 22 minus 20, you get 2. Then pull the 2 down, right? 4, 5, you get 20. Remainder is 2. 44, remainder 2. Okay. Okay, this one, since the number's not that big now, I will just calculate it mentally. I think you should understand, right, how I do this one. Always remember, do until here you see a 0, then only you stop. Okay, now the answer from the bottom to the top. 1342, 1342, 1342, base 5. Okay, so how do we use our calculator? Calculator cannot help us to do this. We need to use Google. Okay, 222, 21342. Let's check. 222. This is base 10, right? Base 10. I'm going to change it to decimal. Base 10. Now I want to convert it to base 5, right? From base 10 to base 5, convert. 1342, base 5. Correct? Our answer? 1, 2. Okay, correct. So this is the way. How do we use Google to check our answer for those bases that our calculator cannot help us to do the job. But definitely you need to understand the concept and you need to able to get the answer without using a calculator or the website on Google. Okay, let me show the last one. 110 base 10 convert to base 4. 110 divided by 4, right? Why? Because this is, I'm going to convert it to base 4. Okay, so I just do it mentally. If you feel hard to do it mentally, you can just write down. Okay, slowly it's okay. You make it slower, it's okay, as long as you understand the concept and get the answer correctly. And the answer, remember, read from the bottom. 1 2 3 2. 1 2 3 2 base 4. Okay, so if I want to check my answer, since this is base 4, calculator cannot help us. Let's go to this website. 110, right? 110, 110, convert to base 4. So I'm going to change this to base 4. Convert. 1 2 3 2. Is our answer correct? Yes, correct. Okay, so how about sometime, let me show you others. Maybe from base 2 to base 8 or base 5 to base 6. So how do we do this type of conversion? You can definitely you can use this to help you because you just need to set the bases. Then okay, but how do we do it manually without depending on this website or our calculator? Let me go back to this. Let me show you this example. Let's say I have a number base 2. Okay, 10111 10111 base 2. I want you to convert to base 8. So first, let me show this method first. So later on, then only I show you the shortcut. Okay, for base 2 convert to base 8, we actually have a shortcut, but I'm going to show you later. Let me show you this method first. 10111 base 2. I want to convert it to a number in base 8. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to convert this 10111 base 2 to a number in base 10 first. This one I think you know, right? How do we do that? I showed just now. And then we convert it to base 8. This is the final answer that we are looking for. Okay, let me show again. How do we convert this to base 10? So you can pause the video and try to do it on your own. I hope that you get the answer correctly. 111 base 2, right? Okay, since this is base 2, then the place value will be 2 power 0. Always remember, start with power 0. And 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, and 2 power 4. 1 times 2 power 4. 0 times 2 power 3. 1 times 2 power 2. And 1 times 2 power 1. Oops, sorry. And the last one will be 1 times 2 power 0. So if you worry that you will make mistake, after you write this, you can double check it. 10111, 10111, and make sure the power is correct. 43210. Okay, so until here, you can just press your calculator. So 1 times 2 power 4 is actually equal to 16. And this is 0. And this is 4. 1 times 4, you get 4. And this is 2. And the last one is equal to 1. So the answer is 23. 23. This is base 10. 23. So how I'm going to convert this to base 8? I think you know, right? Write 23. And then keep on dividing this number by 8. Remainder I'm going to write over here. Okay, so slew. Okay, so 28 you will get 16 upper slew, and 23 minus 16 you will get 7. 2, oh sorry, 2 divided by, let me write it again. So this will get 0, the remainder is 2. When you see 0 here, you can stop. So the answer is 27. Not sorry, not 27. This is base 8. We cannot read this as 27. This is 27, base 8. Okay? So this one we can read it as 23. So now let's use our calculator to help us check the answer. 1011. Oh, sorry. Let me go back to this. Base 2, key in the number is base 2 first, and 10111, press equal. Now I want to convert it to base 8. What do I need to do? Just press OCT here. Not 27 base 8. Okay, correct. So this is the way how we convert a number to base 2 to base 8. So if you understand this concept, if I ask you to convert to base 2 to base 4, or maybe base 5 to base 10, base 5 to base 6, and so on. Using the same concept, you also can do the conversion yourself, right? So if you want to use this website to help you check, you just need to set the bases. Okay. Base 2, let me set base 2 to base 8. And this is 10111. Press convert. 27. Okay, correct. 27. Okay, now let me show you go backward. So how do you convert 27, not 27, sorry. This is 27. This is base 8. We cannot read this as 27, which this is not correct. This is base 10, then we can read this one as 23, correct? This is 27. 27 base 8. Oh, sorry. Now, how do we do the conversion from this to this? The same thing. 27 base 8. First, we convert to base 10. I think this one should be no problem, right? You can do it yourself, which is 23. And then we keep on dividing this number by 2. You will get back this 10111 base 2. Okay, so but there is a shortcut between base 2 and base 8. You actually can do it this way if you want. 1 0 1 1 1 base 2. Okay, so start from your right hand side. Count 3 number, 3 digits, then you break them. 1 2 3. Okay, same thing if you have more digit. Okay, later on I will show you the number is base 2, which we have more digit. Okay, so this is let me use another color. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. Start again. 2 power 0, 2 power 1. Okay, 1 times 2 power 1 is 2, right? 2 plus 0, you get 2. 1 times 2 power 4, here you get 4, right? And 1 times 2 power 1, you get 2. 1 times 2 power 0, 2 power 0 is 1. 1 times 1, you get 1. So 4 plus 2 plus 1, you get 7. So now we got the answer, 2 7. From here, directly go here, 2 7 base 8. So how about if we want to go backwards? From here, directly go here. We also can do it this way, but it will be opposite. Now, just now, 3 number become 1 number, right? Now, we go opposite way. 1 number is going to become 3 number. So 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. Repeat it again, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, and 2 power 2. Okay, now, I want, now focus on 2 first, focus on 7 first, forget about 2. I want to get 7 here, start from the largest place value. So 7, I can put 1 over here. When I put 1, it means that 1 times 2 power 2, which is equal to 4, I still need 3. So I put another 1 here. 2 power 1, which is equal to 2, I still need 1, right? Because I want 7. Okay, 1. How about this? I want 2. Start from the largest place value. This is 4, but I only want 2, right? So here I don't have to fill anything. If you want, you can just fill in 0. So I want 2, which is here, right? 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Here I need to put 0. The answer is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. From here, go to base 2 directly. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, let me show you a number in base 2 which have more digits. Let's try this one. 1, 1, 1. Let me write 1, 1, 1. And 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, this is in base 2. If I want to convert it directly, go to base 8. How do we do that? Okay, you can try to pause this video and try it on your own first. Before this, let me show you using your calculator first. 1, 1. This is decimal. This is, sorry, this is base 2. Base 2. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Base 2. I'm going to convert this to base 8, which is equal to 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6, base 8. So how do we do the conversions? 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, start from your left hand side. Oh, sorry. Start from your right hand side. Start from here. 1, 2, 3, break it. 1, 2, 3, break it. Okay. Then 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. Repeat again the same thing. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. Do the same thing for the rest. Okay. So 1 times 2 power 1, which is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 1 times 2 power 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. This is 4 plus 2, which is equal to 6. Now, we got the answer directly. 3, 5, 6, base 8. So how about if you want to convert 3, 5, 6, base 8 to a number is base 2? It's just go backward. From here, go to 3 number. Let me show you again. So same thing, you can try to pause the video first and try on your own. 2 power 0, 2 power 1. It's actually go backward. Okay, I want 6. So as I told you just now, start from the largest place value. When I write 1 here, 1 times 4, I will get 4. I still need 2. I put 1 over here. Settle for this number 6. Now go to 5. Start from the largest place value. I need 5. I'm going to write 1 here. So 1 times 2 power 2, which is equal to 4. Now I got 4. I still need 1. I cannot put 1 here because 1 times 2 power 1 is equal to 2. I only need 1 more, 1. So I'm going to write 1 over here. How about this? Start from here. But 2 power 2 is equal to 4. I only need 3, right? So here, if you want, you can fill in 0. If you don't want to fill in, it's okay. Okay, let me write 1 over here. Then I will get 2. I still need 1. Write 1 here. So the answer is 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, base 2. Let me double check again. Okay, this is the way how do we do the base conversion from base 10 to other bases and other bases to base 10. Okay, that's all for this video. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. If you want to purchase this calculator online, but you worry that you will mispurchase a counterfeit product, you can just go to Shopee and purchase from Casio office store. Before this, I bought my calculator here as well. I already bought 2 calculators from this Casio office store. Both are authentic products. There are 3 colors available now: black, blue, and pink. You can click on the link in the descriptions or just go to Shopee, search for Casio office store. In the search bar, just type Casio office store. Click on it. This is Casio office store. So If you purchase your calculator here, you don't have to worry about the authenticity of the product. Just click on it. You can type the model of the calculator that you want to purchase here, or just go down here, click on scientific calculator. As I told you just now, for this model, there are 3 colors available now: black, blue, and pink. You will notice that there is another model of calculator which look very similar to FX570EX, which is FX991EX. These two calculators actually having the same functionality. What is the difference is, for FX991EX, this is two-way power calculator, means that you can use solar energy or battery. There are 3 colors available also for this model: black, blue, and pink. Let me show you some other differences between these two calculators. For FX570EX, this is one-way power. You only can use battery. The battery used is AAA battery. If you want to replace the battery, you need to take out 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For FX991EX, this is two-way power calculator. You can use solar energy or battery. If you want to change or replace the battery, you just need to take out 1 screw. The battery used in this calculator is button cell battery, LR44. Okay, that's all for this video. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.